Okay, now we are taking apart a Calico 22 carbine. Space Solo, take one.
Then do a visual inspection. Then there's a bolt catch right here. That's that. And you're gonna release it. Take a 3/16 pin. You have 2 takedown pins here. Then you're going to want to charge the charging handle a little bit to get the bolt out of the extractor. Is that too high? I don't know how to, I guess I could maybe, we're going to have to redo that one.
Okay. Well, I mean, we can do it as many times as we want because I'm going to be editing all this anyway.
Yeah,
So.
we should probably redo that one. I don't know if I should go like that. Can you see that very well?
Yeah, I can see it.
What do you think standing? You think standing maybe? That's how I build them.
Oh, okay. And we can do it like that too.
Just don't get. You want to start over then?
Go ahead and finish it up like this, and we'll do it again. And then I can just do some cuts and edits.
Oh, okay. So you're good. You want me to put it back in there then?
What's that piece? Is that the,
Well,
that's
I
the
was
charging?
gonna. Will you stop it?
Yeah.